the excitement of like the first day of school is over, and even the first week. Teachers, you have now realized that you are back full session, ready to go, and some of you may be sad, some of you may be excited, but you're in school getting your education. So I'm gonna give you guys a really quick get ready with me. This is more so geared towards my college students and my teachers. I just applied my primer. You need some primer. You're gonna be out all day, classes after classes. You need to prime your face first. And so after primer, I am going to just take some foundation. But I think even skin is very important to making you look like you are like super put together and you did your makeup and you took time and you woke up super early to get it done. But in all reality, you did not. I'm gonna move on to some concealer to brighten up your under eye. Are just going to set our under eye with some either your Laura Mercier translucent powder. Today I'm gonna do this Huda Beauty hair setting powder just because it's right here. I don't see why not. I'm just trying to look a little decent. Just trying to look a little decent every day. That's it. Next, I'm just gonna grab this gel liner from Essence. I got this at Ulta, and it is super cheap. It's like $2 or something with like a flat brush. And I'm just going to, you can skip this if you want to, but since I am gonna put on lashes, I'm gonna go ahead and do it. And I'm just gonna kind of press that. Sorry, my camera died. But anyways, I just took that liner and I pushed it into my lashes, and then I'm gonna take a smudge brush and just kind of smudge it out a bit just to diffuse that line. Next, I'm gonna pop on some lashes, and these are the Demi Wispie, I believe they're the Demi Wispie lashes, the Ardell. Okay guys, so we have our lashes on, and so far it's not taking too long. Next, we're just gonna apply a little bit of blush because blush is just necessary in my book. Like, you know, I'm applying it all crazy, y'all, but this is literally how I apply it. My makeup whenever like I'm in a rush. I'm gonna pop some, instead of doing liner in the eyes, I'm just gonna do some mascara on my lower lashes. Lastly, I'm just gonna pop some gloss on my lips. This is Buxom Gloss in Hot Toddy. Or some chapstick. Normally I'd probably just do some chapstick, but the gloss was right here. Okay, so next is hair. Quick style that I like to do is a like slick down middle part. So we don't have time to fix the lace that's coming up over here. We don't have time for none of that kind of stuff. With the hair with our spray bottle. We're not gonna soak it because nobody wants to go really out the house with soaking wet hair. But we want to bring the curl back to life. We done slept on this hair and maybe it ain't been brushed in a while. I don't know. I don't know what's going on in y'all school life. A little bit of mousse on it as well. Just right here on this section. Little bit of Eco Styler gel. And put that on here as well. I'm taking it kind of like that little piece right here. And then I'm gonna slick, kind of tuck the rest of the hair back. All of that hair, I'm gonna slightly braid it just for a second, just twist it. And I'm gonna do the same on the opposite side. Take an elastic. If you have a smaller rubber band, that would be so much better, but this is all I have in front of me, and I just don't have the time to look for something else. I'm gonna take a little bit of that gel and put it through this side. Then you got this. Wear it down like this is a very easy style. You can also pull it back in a ponytail, which is also very cute.